Welcome to this tutorial on joining an organization using affiliation codes in Fusion. This feature enables independent mobile users to quickly join an agency's talk groups or channels by entering a simple code directly from their device. Please note that this feature requires the user to have an active paid subscription license, or the agency must have available licenses that can be assigned to the user. Let's get started by setting up pending user access in your Fusion admin account. First, log into your account. From the left-hand navigation menu, scroll down and select Users. At the top left of the screen, you'll see two tabs. User List. This displays all users who currently have access to your organization. Pending Approval. This is where you'll see users who have affiliated with your organization and are awaiting approval. At the top of the page, select Define Pending Access. This allows you to choose which existing talk groups and channels affiliated users will have access to. Select the talk groups and channels you'd like to assign. It's important to note that these talk groups and channels will be visible to all pending users automatically once the system auto-confirms that a Fusion license is available. At the bottom of the page, you'll see a checkbox labeled Add Users as part of the selected channels and talk groups after profile validation. Check this box if you want pending users to continue to have access to these groups once they are merged into your organization. Click Save. Your pending access settings are now configured. If you have pending users in your queue, you'll have three options. The first is Incorporate the user into your organization, which allows you to give full access to the selected users. The second is Delete, which will delete and deny access to the selected user. The last option is the admin can leave the user in the Pending User section and only allow limited access to the pending groups during an event or incident. Let's now review how you can find and edit your affiliation code and QR code that individuals can use to join your organization. To manage your affiliation code, click the My Tools tab at the top of the page. Then select License Management. Here you'll see a breakdown of all licenses associated with your organization. On the left-hand side, select Manage Affiliation Code. From here, you can view and edit your organization's affiliation code. To access your QR code, navigate to the My Organization tab at the top of the page. From the left-hand menu, select Settings, then choose Organization Settings. Your QR code will be displayed at the top of the page. You can copy it or print it for easy distribution and setup. Now that we've covered the admin side, let's take a look at the process from the end user's perspective. Switch to mobile device. The first step is to download the app from the App Store. Once installed, open the app. You'll be prompted to disable Wi-Fi for easier setup. If you're using a FirstNet SIM, this is the preferred method. If not, you can manually enter your phone number along with your first name, last name, and email address. After entering this information, tap Next. On the next screen, you can either enter the affiliation code manually or connect using a QR code. For this example, we'll manually enter the affiliation code. Once entered, tap Next. You may see a pop-up prompting you to use FirstNet.com. Select Continue. If you are a FirstNet user without Wi-Fi enabled, the system will automatically detect your activation credentials and log you in. If you're using a device from a different carrier, you will receive an activation code via SMS. Enter the activation code to proceed. Next, you'll be taken to the EULA page. After accepting the terms, you'll move to the consent screen. Once completed, the app will request permissions. Be sure to allow microphone and speaker access to ensure full functionality. After setup is complete, tap Get Started at the bottom of the screen. You will now have access to the pending talk groups and channels configured in the admin portal. And that's it. You now know how to configure affiliation in Fusion and how users can successfully log in using an affiliation code. Thank you for following this tutorial.